back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. If you have, thanks so much. You're my doll baby. Hi doll baby. How are you? Welcome back. So glad you're here. Today I'm doing a quick little wig haul so we can just get to it. This beautiful girl is Juba by Bobbi Boss. I did her as a collab with Kamara Jewel, so check that out. I am wearing Juvia's Place Melissa Quad on my eyes. This. Yeah, so that is what that is. Okay. So I have things from Newborn Free and Janet Collection. So that's what we have. Newborn Free and Janet Collection. So I'm just going to pull the first one out. This is the Newborn Free Cutie Wig Cutie Collection CT137. And I got her from Shop Hair Wigs for $16.95. I think these are like their full cap ones. Yeah, this is a full cap wig. There's no stock card on this girl. Ooh, she's really pretty. I have her in the color FS4/30. She does have the skin top parting, and she's a full cap, but with side swooped bangs. She feels really good. She has a little bit of texture, but it's pretty silky, but she does have this sort of like wavy thing in the front going on, so that's really exciting. Ooh. She feels great. So that is cutie number 1. Next up is cutie number 2. But this one does have a stock card. And this is CT168. I have her in the color FS4/30. I got her from Shop Hair Wigs for $17.95. And she's also a full cap wig. She does not appear to have a skin top parting. This is what she looks like. No combs in this one at all, so it's going to be good for those of you who have either need of a medical wig or in need of just something that's not going to irritate your scalp. The color's stunning. I do really like this sort of beach wavy style, so we'll have to see about her. Next up is their Magic Lace. I've done a lot of these. This is MLI, which is Magic Lace Front Eye Part 315. I have her in the color FF Sugar Blonde. I've done a bunch of these. There's a full playlist, and I've done a bunch in this FF Sugar Blonde, which I love. This, OMG. And this color is stunning. I'm going to leave her out because I definitely want to do her sooner rather than later. It's a shiftable part, heat safe, you know, just the free parting thing, so you can put her any way you want. This color is amazing, and I cannot wait to review this. So it's going up on the next up list. Not list, rack. It's like a rack. It's going on my rack.
Girl.
You know, I think she's
next up is another from Magic Lace. I have not tried this line, this one of the Magic Lace. This is their premium human hair blend. And it says 5.5 deep part lace wig. It says part anywhere in any direction. So it's a free parting hand tied. And I have number MLDHS, so this one here, and I have her in the color just natural brown. This one feels fancy. Yeah, this one is fancy. She's beautiful. I'd say she's in the number 4-ish range, and she's got lace front. She's got the baby hairs. You can't part her anyway. I don't know. Like, I guess you can shift it or something, but it is a set part, so I don't know what they're talking about. But she feels great, and she's really pretty, so I got her. So I have 2 more, and they're from Janet Collection, and there's their Princess Lace line. The first one I have is a collie. It says 4x4 lace, so this one actually is a free parting. You can see that it has all this area where you can part. Lace frontal closure. I have her in the color chocolate. Skeeter ale. I've done a bunch of other wigs in this line that I absolutely loved. Chelsea Taylor, maybe? Yeah, I cut the lace off her already. Ooh, that is a beautiful color. It's like a reddish brown. She's got like baby hairs. And yeah, see, she can be parted any which way. So you can see you have all of that space to work with. So I got her. And then last but not least, I got one that this is 4x4 lace sky, so this is the same free parting, but she reminds me a lot of a wig that I did Kiss Part Orbit. I had her in the color diamond. I really wanted that color again, but they didn't have diamond. But I absolutely loved that wig, but it was a full cap wig. I did a video on how to make a full cap wig look natural using her. But yeah, this color here is diamond, is stunning. It just has this sort of like mochaccino coffee thing going on. So I wish I could have got that color, but I didn't. So I got her in chocolate. Did I get her in chocolate? I got her in chocolate. But this chocolate, okay, so this chocolate actually has, it's an oil slick in the front. See, there's like purple and browns and sort of like number 30s in there. And I did another one in this same color. You'll have to check my playlist, but I want to look. Oh, I guess I didn't notice. This one has the purple in it too, if you can see from the back. See? The purple. So yeah, that's really, really fun. You will see those coming up soon on my channel. So that's what I have for you for this small haul. If there's any of these wigs that you would like to see sooner rather than later, you have any thoughts, comments, questions, put those down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.